So let's review some of the options that we have here on the WooCommerce Settings tab. You can see that first we have the general, and from here you can change the location of the store. You can see at the moment it's United States, California, but you can change anytime the location of your store. Then we have the selling locations. From here you can select the countries where you want to sell your products. You can select all the countries or sell to all countries except for, you can add some countries where you don't want to sell. Maybe you find trouble sending products to that countries or something. Then you have sell to specific countries. If you only want to sell to some specific countries, you can add a list right here. So you can add, for example, Albania or Algeria or something like that. And these are the countries, the only countries where you can sell your products. So I'm gonna sell to all the countries. Then we have the shipping locations. This works really similar. So for example, you are maybe selling digital and physical products. You can sell to all the countries, but maybe you want to sell only digital products to some specific countries. So you can play with these values to sell the other countries, but only ship to some specific countries. And that's something really nice about WooCommerce. Then you can see that we have the default customer location, and you can see that we have geolocate. So you can see, for example, I have some products here on the cart, and I'm gonna remove these, update the cart. Now the cart is going to be empty, so we're gonna return to shop. And let's add, for example, this product. So let's select a towel, and we're gonna add brown. Well, we added blue, navy, and large. And yeah, we're playing with yellow and medium. Add to cart. You can see we have $5. And you can click here on view cart. So you can see here on the top we have customer match Sun, United States, and proceed to checkout. And for example, using this geolocate, reading the IP of the user will change this right here. I live in Mexico. It's weird that it says United States, but maybe it's because I changed the value right here. But you can use geolocate, and this will at least fill the value for the country in your visitors. So then you have enabled taxes. If you wanna charge taxes, you can enable or disable. You have to make sure that the products that you are selling, maybe they are tax free, or you have to make sure if you have to pay taxes. So make sure that you make some research about the products that you are selling and if you have to pay taxes. This one, store notice, this is really nice. So for example, you can enable this and you can create a message right here. So we're gonna add something like special for the weekend, 20% off in all the orders. Use the coupon 20% off weekend, something like that. You can save the changes and open the front end of your site. And you can see on the bottom we have this notice. Special for the weekend, 20% off in all the orders. Use the coupon 20% off weekend. So that's something nice. If you are having a big sale, or also if you are trying to make some maintenance in your website, you can send a notice using this option. That's something really nice. Then we have the currency options. You can change dollars and the position, left or right, and the space or without the space, separator, and the number of decimals. Something really important here is the currency. So for example, let's say I have a product right here. So let's open this HomeKit. You can see at the moment the HomeKit, and it's $50. Maybe you want to change this to, in my case, it's Mexican peso. If you change this to Mexican peso, you have to make the changes right here. Because if you change to Mexican peso and you leave this, it's gonna charge 50 pesos, which is less than $1. So if you decide to make a change in the currency, remember that you have to make the changes in all the products of your store. Also, you have to make the changes in all the shipping methods and everything. So make sure that you add the correct currency before adding the products and everything. So this is it for the general section. In the next videos, we're going to continue working with this. I'm going to show you each of these tabs that we have in the settings tab of WooCommerce.